Hi everyone, in today's unboxing we will check out the Thomas and Friends 2-in-1 track builder. Let's start building a track. In this set you will only get one train, and that's Thomas. It's a popular builder set that you can find online or at your local stores for around 25 bucks. Let's open the box and see what we get. As I start assembling the track, I will speed up the video so I don't bore you guys. It's time to test out the track, and we need to get Thomas running, so we would need the two AAA batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. Alright guys, thanks for watching the unboxing of Thomas and Friends train set, and please subscribe and like this video to help us grow.